So hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm back with a new video, and today we have a new art challenge, Ugly and Beauty Matcha Challenge. It's a new art challenge, and I want to stay on trend as usual. So I have selected two characters. I have selected an ugly character, Bigfoot, and a beautiful one, Cinderella. This Bigfoot is from Bugs Bunny series if you don't know him. This video is the second recording video. Actually, I have finished the video yesterday and life is good. Suddenly, I have deleted the video by mistake and now I'm drawing that character again. That's why I am not highlighting it with black again, because I don't want to waste a pen and have already colored it digitally. So I have a digital save file of the coloring one, okay? Wow. And also guys, I'm gonna leave my social media links down in the description box. Instagram and Facebook to follow me there and to stay together all the time. Yeah, and if you are not subscribing to my channel, please subscribe. You will make me so happy. And yeah, and like this video if you love it. What you feel, tell me in the comments. Weird, good, funny. I think we can't make a beautiful character from an ugly one. I mean, ugly plus beauty is ugly. Just like mathematics, positive plus negative is a negative. That's it. Mathematics everywhere, yeah? But a negative and a negative, positive. I don't know this. Maybe I'm going to try this. Wait a minute. A negative plus a negative. Oh, that's going to be so nice. Well, no problem. We'll stay on the arts. Just say consistent. As you see, so I have drawn Bigfoot shape. And have dressed him a dress, shoes, very good beautiful hairstyle, just like Cinderella, and some makeup to look like a princess. But actually, he looks weird. Okay. Anyway, I hope you love this video. And if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe for more videos. And let us see the final results. Wow. So, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's the final result. I don't know what about it. Please tell me in the comments below. Bye. See you later.